how you played?
Sorry, I don't understand the second
Are you
part.
pleased with how you played?
Yeah, of course. I don't know. I don't know what was average. I don't check it, but I'm really sure it was a good match from my side. Maybe Jermaine don't play the best, but I think I played a really good match.
Jermaine averaged 95 and you averaged around 107. So Jermaine had no chance even with a 95 average.
Oh, really? I don't expect it, really. I expect about 90 in Wattimena and 96, 97 from my side. 107 is unexpected, really. Super.
How did you feel at the end of the match? Because you looked quite emotional after the victory.
I was really focused on match. I try to focus for every dart, and I play. This is why I play, I think, so good. And after this, of course, it was emotion, big emotion.
For you, what was it like playing without a crowd in the venue?
This idea with voices from the speakers is really good. If I was a really, I thought it's almost like with a crowd, because I don't think about it, but I still hear it, and it was almost like a crowd, like a normal tournament with a crowd. It's in my opinion, it's a super idea.
And just finally, if you play like that in the rest of the tournament, you're going to be very difficult to beat.
Yeah, I know, but every match is different. Now it's 107. Next match maybe 110 or maybe 90. Who knows? It's every match is different. I will try, of course, concentrate for every opponent.
Thank you, Krzysztof.
Thank you.